organizing committee Totarin Chinai Sui na Kangaran Mirano in a Aminki Vauda Vaugadaran Limatang Matangaina Damazan Kwai Gaga Kwimilo Open Half Marathon First HUNPHUN Luira PHANIT 2025 Run for Cause, Run for Fun we now showing we first Tot Ngacherin HUNPHUN Lui Tot Ngacherin HUNPHUN Lui Kakne second position ni George Ninkan Mung Shimre George Ninkan Mung Shimre Yarina Bang Bangla Kai na Gagapemi say Ang Tor Jotla Kai na Yong Kai Open Half Marathon we first HUNPHUN Luira Marathon 2025 we contestant being here first si Tot Ngacherin HUNPHUN Lui second position is George Ninkan Mung Shimre. First prize is Ramganing Somter Aung Shi Marampung Aung Anatone Tsakamine. First prize is Ramganing Somter Aung Shi Marampung Aung Anatone Tsakamine. Second position is George Ninkan Mung Shimre. George Ninkan Mung Shimre. Second prize is Ngachon Singh Gashung na donate Tsakamine. Ngachon Singh Gashung. Yarina Bang Banglai Kai na Gagapemi say third position is Kangam Shangnam. Third position Kangam Shangnam. Third position is prize is Lakisan Shinai Sui na donate Tsakamine. Yarina Bang Banglai Kai na Gagapemi should say third prize is Lakisan Shinai Sui na donate Tsakamine. Fourth position is Yurngajan Luiram. Fourth position, Yurngajan Luiram. Fifth position is Mashungam Muinao. Mashungam Muinao. Fourth position, Yurngajan Luiram. Fourth position, Yurngajan Luiram. Fifth position, Mashungam Muinao. Fifth position, Mashungam Muinao. Sixth position, Ringhorsam Muinao. Sixth, Ringhorsam Muinao. Yarina Bang Bangla Kai na Gagapemi say. Sixth position li Ringhorsam Muinao. Seventhly Leishingam Tungshang. Seventhly Leishingam Tungshang. Eight Nanao Mung. Nanao Mung. Eighth position Nanao Mung. Eighth position Nanao Mung. Ninthly Ramgajan Pairim. Ninthly Ramgajan Pairim. Yarina Bang Bangla Kai na Gagapemi say 10th position he Yang Sing K Shimra. Yang Sing K Shimra. Achigumwe Open Half Marathon we youngest place kakwe ngunui mai tuida ongazang mayer nauli Kapror Rumtao. Kapror Rumtao. Marathon kayong wing jali ngunui mai tuida ongazang Kapror Rumtao. Shinawili Tamhola Vashum. Tamhola Vashum. Shinawi, youngest place we Bryzy, family IK violent donate Sakamine, family IK violent donate Sakamine, Shinawi, Tamhorla Vishum, youngest place we Bryzy, family IK violent donate Sakamine, Yarina Pang Bangla, good family say. marathon khayong ing chaili rar mai thui kaji li ungkazang shinauli rin mi bam room tau shinawi braisi 80 enterprises pashina sakamine 80 enterprise na tone sakamine rin mi bam room tau mayer nawi shong long shang soting mayer nawi braisi ungriyo saryo wana tone sakamine yari na bang bangla kai na kaphemise mayer nawi shong long shang soting awi braisi ungriyo saryo wana tone sakamine mashamara salula shimkura talayaka pangsin ni ko milo price ka ka milo mashamara salula shimkura talayaka price ka ka milo yarina bang bangla kai na kaphemise kala arila shinawi shong position matilai talai shinawi shong first position hi tamholla vashum shinawi first position tamholla vashum second position is sochung mahung second position sochung mahung first position hi damhola vashum shinawili second position sochung mahung third position ngakmi khareng fourth position chanrei pi y shatsang fourth position chanrei pi y shatsang Nichla organizing committee accountant Totarin Shingai Suili Ishui Marathon Open Half Marathon First HUNPHUN Luira Marathon 2025 with Bryce Hina Kangajang Saire Yarina Pang Pangla Kaina participants Kudong Kuiva Akshita Banka Pyramid Listise Nichla
Yarui, Konsan Nahel. Not only organizing committee, the sound system we show na apology midlay ara co-host ini lum shok room re thada direct miss ka pangom re atam mazang lui sai chena achiwi Miss HUNPHUN Leader 2025 we opening here UKHRUL HUNPHUN Leader PHANIT 2025 we longchan la khayo Mr. Ungayung Bie Nasamira Jena, the stage is yours, Mr. Ungayung Bie. Yarina, control gali, welcome Sakwise. Last hat helak, hi Yashwakane.
Hello. Hậu phục là sao đó? Rầm cái tàng là nòng sao miêu kì? Hello. Rầm cái tàng là nòng đi lấy cái gì? Hai lỡ mơ xâm phan Gơ shung ngơ ya nơ li Chu khơ mơ chi Ngơ rây ngơ rây va ninh li Chốt khơ Chôn ini Wiri hai Shiman hawa A chôn wiza Gashi na ka Ok thủy sâm phan si cơ phước ru khi ba nơ phung rơ Yari sang ngum sar sei vậy hek thui mi hao yu ram da wan li hek thui mi hao i wi ram da Shai ren ruby man man the girl let hawa avuram bi gashina ka achon Wiri hai man hao a chôn reason the she nơ khơ ốc thủy li ra sân phong si cơ phư kru khi pa nơ phung rơ si cơ phư cruise keep on the prune. Thank you.
Check. Check.
Yari Akshi, Mr. Ung Yung BLA, Banga Banga Pemise. Yari Atam Zang Haidan Natum Shim Samelo. Achi he itum Sava Pai Chung Lay Fui Chena. Taila Gana opening Sami Kai, Mr. Ung Yung Lining Shidley.
Yari, excited masagle itumi next program ye Kim Raudo. Ngila Kangyen. Aji main sala kai program ye ngila Kangyen ne. Ready masay natum. Ready masay klay pang may danglo. Ishi contestants bingla ready sal ga alungli. Atumi dress matalag lagay na. Ready sa gay ne. May yang klay. Okay, yang ako siya. Taji maradarang laka. Itumi kayu makayu yang kawai. Mashun makuy yang mi kawai. Judges ara ayer gday na kung no kala itumi li distinguished alag gahay. Mi kachung kazang dale church saki da klay liang. Then ari hi itumi judge Kresa to introduce samige.
Judges of Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025, we make up to Dr. Tammy Bay. Good how? Judges of Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025, we make up to Dr. Tammy Bay R. Shinglai, Principal, Alice Christian Higher Secondary School. Yarina Bunga, a control of Bang Pemise.
Eli school week tam na mazang legle. Nishu principal lim talagi next na welcome sa amin ni Dr. Tammy Bay R. Shinglai.
Kakneli Chandri Ki. Awi title hi chung nai da im na thum lim ma pa mi ngai thure. Miss Spring 2019. Kakneli Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2023. Kaktumali Miss Femina India Manipur 2024.
Imang manim ko nitum mir na bingning masudalo itumi judge we alumni la mayor na ulazang e. Arihon nila na bing na kahaulak kahay Chanwai Jonwai Design sa tila kahay Mr. Eastern Light Zimig Fashion Designer alila welcome sa dali itum sa corona judge katum ashi katum na HUNPHUN Luira Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025 ye ashi katum na yang mi gig jine jene yari sa corona bangla na bang pelaga ashi katum ni welcome sa mi se ashi katum na la mangali ka shop mir no. Bang pemi se ne yari. Jane ang soda. Ari itumi judges mangali later clay. Atumna achi hi itumi yangai ina later clay beauty contest hi. Jui mashun makui yang migik chine. Jane yari lila kachitay sa da atumna mashun makui hi kachili yang mamayra kili yang mamay nikla hi yari lila hang jitay no Jane. I request one of the judges to please tell the criteria. Okay, we'll give the privilege to Miss Chachi Kai.
Hello? Hello, everyone. Ishina assess Sagichi criteria bingna. Number 1, the contestant's distinct personality and charisma. Number 2, her poise, grace, walk, how she carries herself. Number 3, her fluency and clarity in answering the questions. Number 4, overall beauty of the contestant. Number 5, her confidence and stage presence throughout all the rounds. The criteria phanga bing ay na judge samire. So on behalf of all the judges, we wish the contestants of Miss HUNPHUN Luira all the very best.
Thank you so much, judges. Yarina like hili yang mamayrak like jither delire. Ara itumi honsan lagay na like like itumi show ji how book vice house eh. Kala jimang namning la achi itumi show hili. Itumi lottery gapau jini ka kathasan nikle concert yang cover paisa miliga yang gikji show sakik jini achi hi itumi itumi contestants ka show adamli live concerts. Jasi yang yari bang itumi alungli HUNPHUN alungli featherheads, the one and only featherheads atu ashina play samire jeni yari sekor na featherheads bang la actually bang ka pay say. Featherheads adam ashina ngrandale laka itumi first round he fusion round nine hapoki chine our contestants will showcase their creativity by blending the beauty of traditional attire and costumes with modern elements. Yeah, then arihon itumi zatnada kale aina achalaka awo ayina saraksa chanmai chonmai chi blend salaga atumi creativity ji yang laga ji take chine jena yari sekorali gachi chatangaye. Please give your comment respectful atum nehili shop the kledam jitaran natum nalaka gatom ngai rew aina gatom milo. And also once again we would like to welcome and we would show our gratitude to everyone watching us and joining us online. Thank you so much for your support and love as well. Now we will give the time to the featherheads while the contestants come out to the stage.
Check.
Volunteers aga kini ka mga way ni hay na kayo. Kusog mo ni ka. Volunteers. Volunteers aga kini na stage clear kakasam yolo ni sinara. Adamazang saksay volunteers aga kini na stage clear kakasam yolo ni sinara.
让这绿美好的泪我，让这绿美好的泪我，的痛不干的，下巴呀去了头。让这绿美好的泪我，我配不干的，下巴呀去了头。
Yuri, make some noise for the contestants. Yuri, what you say? Azak vâng thà tâm thấy rằng một tờ lệ đấy á. Ngày mai được tao bông lầu, ngày mai được sang bông lầu. Ari show cái hai chỉ có chứ. La show lem không mong này. Ari à thùng nè next round này li traditional round lấy chỉ tao cái đó thùng nè. Shin man the laga itumili entertain sami gvai lay the lay Chena remake up the third ribbon Japan first runner up HUNPHUN's Got Talent 2025 Chena Yarina third ribbon Japan Ali welcome Sakui say third ribbon Japan the stage is yours. check check thot ri bom wang aksi yarin bang bang ka phe mi sai ara la maning la itum na dance ha ka yang sai aya hunphun got talent li now shna ga dance ga dong ji ma thai do ana achi tum len der din sami fre jena yarina bang ka phe la ka akhon bang ka shok ta Miss Bumray Pili calmly welcomes how we say.
See my body moving like a snake, moving like a snake, moving like a snake. I know you see my body moving like a snake, moving like a snake, moving like a snake.
She looking right in them tights, she got nothing underneath. Soon as I catch a vibe, I'ma put that ass to sleep. I'll fly to Mumbai for some tandoori. Mix the lime with the spice, looking good enough to eat. Come put that thing on me. Even in the bed, she still on beat. She screaming, "Jai, no please." Even when she scream, she still on key.
So hypnotizing, temperature rising. Fuck being private.
It's on my private.
I know you see my body moving like a snake,
Moving like a snake.
moving like a snake,
Moving like a
moving like a snake. I know you see my body moving like a snake,
moving like a snake.
moving like a snake,
Moving like a
moving like a snake. I know you see my body moving like a snake.
Mom sa yaroi ite da no shna mom hong re expect masa samne dance yak dong ther da well done Miss Bumray Pili ka ara atam hi eu go hosli min le ana na thom le hang myor
Check. Thank you. Mom thak le issue contestants bingji. Kibam da mai ti do. Kibam da mai ti serial number kya ka? Matasir, they are equally beautiful. Natumna matala kay ni yang ni deklay support sa mi deklay detail ga nyang na ring panaye. Thank you so much. Now, ari hi to me another round atumna ari chi traditional fusion ne. Arava itumna one of the most celebrated and graceful segment of this evening, that is a traditional round. Yang itumna awayina itumi Shanmai John Mai Shanglak ay nang vaira da clay. Shanmai John Mai ji itumi contestants being amazing contestants atumna matalak ay nang vailaga itumi awayi wisari ji sang daga shoki kichine jili itumna ring palak ay ni yung room lise. Kala ji mararang laka atumna gashok atam ji taran arijang featherheads na perform sami kay ji mam tado na tum. Was it beautiful? Was it great? How was the performance of Featherheads? Mamtado. It was stunning. Okay. Araba, another one. Itumi actually Luira night beauty contest Luira the clay in the kang. Natum comes I mong lag mere. We have our Tankul Nightingale. Itumi alungli. Last Saturday lag high. Last year. Kibagam rao. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our one and only Miss Windsor Chamre on the stage. Kala itum na chain and soda itumi traditional round he yeng room say. Thank you so much. Okay, Ari itum na ngelanaw sa ita yari na tiako piyam yase tiako kang ran yeji aka kanyu mo ko brang yeji na itumili another package lady le jena.
That's what Instagram le Klido the Mashaira Matera. He's from Imphal, all the way from Imphal. Like Achiwi UKHRUL HUNPHUN Leader 2025 li participate kasagita. Tantri Makang. Tantri Makang, and the Sagi Jila in a piece, Kala La Chonra Kikamanimne, Rep Lage. Jena Yarina, Tantri Makang, welcome Sagui say. Tantri Makang, the stage is yours. Yari, Tantri Wang Bang Bangak Pemi say, Yari.
Hello, hello. How do you mean, HUNPHUN? We blow through that shit, right? The itumi ina hangai lahi ari insagi ji the next part ta drill ne bit khani ne the 4-minute maximum in khui ji yang first la ba hi HUNPHUN now avawan thum psychorally you shongai no you are mean na Tantri Makang ya you show now ne gla marshly official release the hip hop official release drop sagi ne je la ba hi peace ne a lot of conflicts going on Manipur, right? Thada tangphul now bien tangphul now mang vu say in a long live chicken dum ne ili tha ko thada tong mi sa da tangphul chilo long live, long live. We blow through that shit, right? Put the music on. Kalau HUNPHUN apa wal dedicate sa mingai HUNPHUN hi na thum sai korel okpai mera no ji yu shongai na hangai ya. Yo, check. I'm proud to be TK, man. I'm proud to be Tangku. Volume deo kami lo. Long live to Tangku. Yo. give an artist name, but I'll be the best. I swear. I'm not trying to act like cool, you know. Blow through that. Lead on the beat. I don't know nothing about the FKP, but I don't wish to see no naughty human getting killed for no reason. They don't deserve it. Now tell me, do we deserve a better world, or the world deserve a better people for real? Power's what we want, but peace what we need. I just can't wait for the day when we can all peacefully sleep. And why is there so racism that does nothing good but put a flame to terrorism? And why the F is there so many religions? If they cannot unite us all but only create a division. Every single person deserves equality, not suffer for a single person vision. We all got one mission to make this world a better place. Unite as one and talk it face to face. Such a race to save this human race. Unity is grand, let's respect each other. I choose the pain when we all have ability to be a better person. Let's support each other. Feeling alone with the moment. Y'all fight till it's over. Y'all fight till it's over. Mama, please don't separate us from my sister. Feeling alone with the moment. Y'all fight till it's over. Y'all fight till it's over. Mama, please don't separate us from my sister. This big love in the world. Are we? Are you ready, guys? Let's go to the shit. Lead on the beat. Come watch me out. I'm proud to be done with me. What do you know about me? What do you know about the shit? You're wrong, my big leash. No, I'm leaving my low. I'm going to here. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Blow for that shit. Baby, you know that I miss you. Baby, you know that I miss you. Shawty, I know that you hate me. Shawty, I know that you hate me. Wish you may know that I'm not tired of it. Wish now that I'm not paying with it. Baby, wow, baby, get with it. Wish you wanna pay, I'm not tired of it. Running on the green, I'm running on the internet. Telling my friends you don't want to be a friend of me. You make me lies, but you don't say that. Want to talk about it, but you don't make me. I'm down on my food and I'm heading this feeling and I love it. I don't wanna cheat, I wanna fair play. I want you back when you get like that. Like once I talk, you call me back. It's hard when you like to get harder. But they call in my rooms, get out of one food in the final. So are you? Let's talk and that's all you can talk me to. Let's roll with me. Point me to the nearest spot. I'm proud to be TK. Everybody proud to be TK. Proud to be TK. I'm proud to be thankful. One time for the late night section. Two time for the late motivation. Three time for the late night section. Come home to the people. For the pain. One time for the daily opening. I'm around with it. Never been for you, but I'm not deep. Like I'm a doorway, so I'm gonna keep. I was on road, you were high low. In the back of my mind, I didn't think it was so wrong. Thought it was just before now on. Coming from the lane of the bad boys, motherfuckers know what a G nice thing. Came from a race of a what do you think, no? Uncle Verse, Uncle. You repay the last shit, never you without in a hand. Shut it round with me, shut it play with me. No, we might not need me, G. Say holla, Sally, G. Never you live nothing, G. Let me round with me, just for the game, don't let me be around it. Fuck that nigga with a shot, one time, 10 minutes, nigga, bump, cha, cha, cha. This nigga always thinking about shit, yeah, let me round with me, what you wanna pay me? I'm down with it, I'm proud with it. I'm proud to be UKHRUL, I'm a top cool, I'm a hate hunter. Love me to the down, to the low, huh? Let me round with it, baby. Appreciate it, thank you.
Mom thang le. Bây giờ ngay phước le. Yang ngáo se, but itu mi haji li ya rada play maram. Atang shogre ji gamak shogji. Ari shogare, ari round by Helena. They will introduce themselves. Ari li atum thata introduce hagi jine. Kene yari bingli request ak sangai atum na kam tu taran. Teuka na tumi akonji log sa laga hai mi log sa sa kava. Yari sai korna shag by. Akon sari yang jina please itumi contestants ka show atam jitaran itumi support kasaji thailak se ji hangai. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Windsor on the stage and also our contestants.
Next round.
Confidence breeds beauty when you believe in yourself. The world see it too. Good evening, everyone. I am Luira Gaji, your contestant number 1. 19 years of age, currently pursuing my BA second semester in DM Arts College. I love performing and dancing. This platform is not just about beauty, but it is also about confidence, grace, self-expression. And I am thrilled to be part of it tonight. Thank you and have a delightful evening.
Hello everyone, this is your contestant number 2, Khokha from Luira, currently pursuing Masters in Zoology. I love cooking, gardening, and many other things that lifts up my spirit. Today I stand here not just as a contestant, but thank you.
Good evening. I am Khokha, your contestant number 3. Representing Pageant, currently pursuing my graduation at Pageant College. Singing is my passion, and it brings me joy every time I sing. Although I'm naturally a shy person who tends to shy away from spotlight, tonight I am here before you to build my confidence. Through this platform, I want to raise my voice to all the Tangkhul women. Step out from your comfort zones, break free from your fears, and let your potential shine for the world to see. I truly believe that if I can do it, so can you. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening.
Good evening, HUNPHUN. I am Sobemjon Shingnaisi, your contestant number 4, proudly representing Pageant Phungweidang. I hold a master's degree in English. I am a patient and fun-loving person. I love being with kids, listening to music, and I am an avid reader. Through this platform, I aim to advocate for unity and cultural importance among the youth in our society. Thank you, HUNPHUN Luira, for this amazing platform. I look forward to the unfolding of the rest of tonight. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. Wishing you a joyful HUNPHUN Luira PHANIT. I am Grace Mashangwu, proudly representing Sebet Jingsho Pungreidang as contestant number 5. I'm 19 years old and have completed my 12 from Sentinel College. I have passion for gardening and listening to music, and I aspire to become a beautician in the future. Thank you.
Manish Chilar once said, "It is not about winning a crown, but it is about being role model and making a positive impact." Hello everyone, I am Rimungchon Asari, your contestant number 6. Proudly representing Sebet Jingsho Pungreidang, I'm 19 years of age, currently pursuing BA second semester at HUNPHUN College. In my leisure time, I love to sing, dance, and learn new things. In the future, I aspire to become a social worker. Thank you.
The best way to predict your future is to create it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sorin Keshin, your contestant number 7. I proudly hail from the vibrant village of Alang, here to represent Resomtang 7 Finance with pride and enthusiasm. I am a 20-year-old undergraduate student, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in anthropology at DM College of Science. I have an insatiable passion for reading, as it broadens my perspectives and horizons, giving me a unique way to see the world differently. I also cherish how journaling allows me the freedom to create a beautiful tapestry of self-discovery, and I aspire to flourish as a distinguished professor, inspiring and guiding future generations of brilliant minds and visionary leaders. I stand here today with courage, confidence, and heart, ready to turn my vision into a living, breathing reality, empowering the younger generations to fearlessly pursue their dreams, breaking free from the shackles of fear and doubt. Today, as we celebrate the Seed Sowing Festival, let us also plant the seeds of courage, strength, and resilience within our hearts as we become the living proof that dreams are achievable when we dare to believe in ourselves. Thank you.
sincerely Ringapa HUNPHUN Luira Shalamidele. You are Mingna Lasho Jamte Sarel. In a Natumwe, contestant number 8. In a HUNPHUN Aungdang Wenarak Zangne. It was in Kumna Mugu. Gala, a basketball kangarel, Gala fashion trends Limulung Janglaka. Gala Shimot Kasa, Ava Valley Kung John Lisangai Lakahai, Gala Ninjang Lakahai Shinaune. Iwi Mirin Li Shinawa Kasada, Moholak Aino Oktida, Tika Kangang Malayla, Manantap Aino Oktida, Misaiko Rina, Jan Lakhai, Shinawa Kasada. Iwena damkui shikui kapai ngasalaga oktira kaji iwi karine. Jena hangkangai banava na kalata shitka sang leilu. Chitaka nui mujuk takle karinji bashung lakre. Saiko really lekyang zin saser rino. Nishlagai re.
Beauty is not just about the eyes that see, but about the heart that feels, the mind that thinks, and the spirit that shines. Good evening, HUNPHUN! Respected jury members, to my fellow contestants and distinguished guests, I am Pilayungaungshi, your contestant number 9, currently pursuing my master's degree at Manipur University, proudly representing Kambi Village. Beyond my academic pursuits, I'm passionate about cooking, gardening, and playing volleyball. Looking ahead, I aspire to become a professor. Thank you so much, HUNPHUN, for this beautiful platform. Sai ko really like yang zin sa ser no ning shlagere.
Yaroi! 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 Mik mangi amli! Paisai bangtai nana yo tada. Akon ji akon rumok thai. Original traditional round we gugubang sa kai ne. Chena Ishui gown round in Mishograng Laga Shanwai Jonwai Shindale Laga Atam here organizing committee limit.
Share organizing committee li host kanina atam kamiwiwa arai tumna presentation hi tyo meka kwika ke kresa da itumna special invitees na tumli invite sadle program hili Nishe no tumna program ni rasa kami mangai na itume program hi laring palakain satvat la ye. First of all, we will like the organizing committee are so happy that you are here in our midst. And as an and as to show the appreciation, the organizing committee has arrange a token of appreciation, a mementos. So I would like to call upon Diringam Kamay, MCS, SDO, DPO UKHRUL, PTO UKHRUL to kindly receive this token of appreciation So I would like to call upon our convener, Ung Sorin, to give out the token of appreciation. First of all, I would like to call upon Diringam Kamei, MCS, SDO, UKHRUL, to receive this token of appreciation from the convener. Yari Saiguru na Pangran hi Kamiadam Tran, itum na Pangakpe himam lai me say Gaji na tum request salution night lay. Secondly, issue special invitees. Secondly, I would like to call upon Mr. Raimei Changmei, STC UKHRUL, to receive this token of appreciation from the organizing committee. Mr. Raimei Changmei, STC UKHRUL. Thirdly, I would like to call upon Abhishek, Assam Rifle Captain, to receive this token of appreciation. Fourthly, I would like to call upon his other half, Mrs. Hima Krawal, on the stage to receive this token of appreciation from the Luira organizing committee. Yari Saiguru itumna Pangran Samit lateran, Abangakpe Himam Laye Seg, Natumli request Salushit Laye. Fifthly, I would like to call upon Ayekba Maninganba Maite, engineer, NHIDCL, to receive this token of appreciation. Sixthly, I would like to call upon Dago Sunip Chamir, Kanawasada Hanyo Rungsung, SDC UKHRUL, Nalila stage li hogat laye ichu organizing committee ng ran mighai token of appreciation he quick vai. Hanyo Rungsung, SDC UKHRUL. Yari Saiguru na Abang Pemi say, Kanawasada Achu issue with Miss Luira 2025 we judges Bingli acknowledge Kasasada, Natumlila token of appreciation he Mingait Laye, Chen Kare Sada issue with judges number 1, Miss Janju Kayi, Femina, Miss India Manipur 2024, Nanala stage Ligalaga, organizing committee ng Ran Mighai, token of appreciation Ji Khokha Milu. Janjui Kayi, Femina, Miss India, Manipur 2024. Yari Saigoru na Abang Pemi say issuing judges Bingwibang. Kakaniali, Mr. Eastern Light Simic, fashion designer. Kalagakatumali, Dr. Taimibay R. Shinglai, Principal, Ellis Christian Higher Secondary School. Yari Saigoru na Abang Pemi say, Ajik tumna aji issue in Miss contest with judges being nay. Atang la en atumli introduce salary area arila natumli hang stay lui shit delay. Ere sai gron abang family shit say. Ning share issue convener Sorin Ragui Nana present some Mikhaiju presentation Mikhaiju Bang ara issue host Kanil Atami missing Ira.
Organizing committee Vashilini Shlakhaira. Alright, dance Akayang group say. Thought Mating Ram Turnau. HUNPHUN's Got Talent 2025 participant. Jana Yarik Dong now control laga. Thought Mating Ram Turnau li. Welcome, how we say.
Yarili Gichite Salushi Delay, Program Lee Sangichi, Entertainment Lee Sangichi Saigoru Natumli, Kavahoni Shatlega, Natumna Kayan Milu, Natumbi Track Saigoruchi, Shui, main operator Lee Vamisan Miluchi, Atumi Shoin Ratlay, Chain Natumna, Kavamisan Miolo Nishinara.
I am a proud Manipuri, hailing from the jungle. I got the headhunters in me. If you ever cross the line, we'll see who got company. Never went to my own village, but they all know about me. Shout out to my parents, giving birth to all winners, kids with big dreams. My vision indefectible. If you can't take the heat, then don't play around the fire. I'm the rhythm killing Snoopy Red Korea. Picture painting my dreams like I'm Da Vinci. When I'm on the mic, my lyrics vibrant, can never copy. I'm talking originality, ain't about the fame, it's about the art. Hip hop is culture, and anyone can take pop.
The brain's motivation neurotransmitter, dopamine.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, is born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this, wish y'all shoot a new weapon. I don't contemplate, I meditate, then off your fucking head. This that put the kids to bed. This that I got realness, I just kill shit cause it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA.
Yari mâm thang đây. Các hầm thang đây. Bông mày đang chỉ đợi mâm thang. Anh đang kembali shong dân ngay vừa. Hả? Chẳng cơ. Ini shong dân ngay vừa là. Chọc shong vừa ngay lửa. Ari to the contestants being ready. Sasser, elegant salah again. Dress out again. But before that, it will be elegant sakamay. Aka performance aka yung mishite. Arila, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our one and only Winso Chamray for her performance. Pangbarlangin ang piyanaga, welcome sa mishite.
Hello. Are you mom tha? Mom tham nia. Đi mom tham the shot le. Aroma la ju aroma sabai. Now. Are you go ji you ilhang lo ji kha. Hada you migling yam nai. Shout lam sang ai ne. Lama Tanai, nothing you come in the other, Paning the Lake Jim, Ishi Sangai, Momata! Now, atum liak si the welcome sakui lishit siya. Masakui fushia. Okay, Zyga, I'll give the mic to my co-host.
Thank you. Now, Ari to me, ki round chok round round ya herda. Round can you guide ya? Ara ki chok round ki round round. One of the most glamorous and elegant moment of the evening. That is the evening gown round. Are you excited? Atumi gown sang nagang lam talagin nami ang air do. Ready sa sir kaya atumi kam taman manila. Atumi creativity, atumi confidence and sophistication. Choki sagi na lele. Yari say corona atumi haulak ay na kala supportive salak ay na atumi kamutaji yang room se. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our amazing, beautiful contestants on the stage once again.
Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her, something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her, 'cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she about to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time, yeah. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything that she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got a real thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got a real thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. She got a thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, spend a little time. She got, that's why I love Miss Independent. Shine, Miss Independent. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her, 'cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss. Manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her, something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her, 'cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she about to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time, yeah. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything that she telling them to get lost. something about her. Something new, so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. 'Cause she work like the boss, play like the boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. Yeah. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything less, she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got a own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got a own thing.
맘타 이실 컨테스턴트 맘타도 기반의 퀸 라운드 기반의 퀸 라운드 컨테스턴트 갱아 컨테스턴트 넘버 컨테스턴트 넘버 아마이트 마샬가 컨테스턴트 넘버 오케이 기반의 퀸 no 아리 judge being the quiz alakina mark calculate sadly like performance akang yeng say issue extraordinary performance aki chiko
And our performance say ayawe HUNPHUN's Got Talent kuibashi jimathai Jana Ari Zaishin Dance Studio Ashina performer ka shoksamire Jana let us welcome Zaishin Dance Studio on the stage Yaro konjokse
Panglagan ng organization Dance Studio Liachta welcome saluchite.
Technologic. Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it. Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, fill it, call it, find it, view it, code it, jump and lock it, surf it, scroll it, pose it, click it, cross it, crack it, switch, update it, name it, read it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax, rename it, touch it, ring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Technologic, technologic, technologic.
be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go ain't going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Tick, tick, boom.
Issue contestant swinging người làm không tha. Bông mày đang xem mình làm không tha. Yang ra là cái khi bông làm thao cái gì đó. Cái đó nó thấy à? Obviously they're so beautiful in their unique ways. Ari, the long-awaited moment. Ito muli subtitle he announced again the later linya. Are you excited? There are 3 subtitles. Hangoge. Hangoge. The best catwalk. HUNPHUN, Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025. The best catwalk goes to contestant number. Bang may hang liu. Contestant number 3, congratulations. You may take a walk, contestant number 3.
Made for a boss, only a boss. Anything that she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent.
Issue subtitle we Sash kala hui give the co-convener organizing committee Swaraj L Shimray na kangran mirno Swaraj L Shimray na hili like the lekava subtitle we word we kangran milo ni shinare. Okay, subtitle Taifugo. Most beautiful smile, Miss Beautiful Smile. Subtitle Leko. Kibanam Rao. Ino Kyoge, Mam Tamla. Okay, issue Sashi Mishok Maman Lega. Announcer now say. Jana, are we here? Issue best get walkie contestant number 3, ne? Congratulations, contestant number 3. Now, the most beautiful smile goes to contestant number 1.
She got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent.
That was your Miss Beautiful Smile. Congratulations, contestant number 1 and 3. Another contestant left for our subtitle. Please.
One more subtitle is left. Subtitle Agabat for ye. Miss Congeniality. Kibana Quimro. Kibana Quimro. Contestant Kiaga. Contestant number. Contestant number 5.
Congratulations, contestant number 5, your Miss Congeniality 2025.
Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly. She move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why.
Check. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Swaraj Elshime. And congratulations to the subtitle winners. Now, your top 6 contestants. Before I announce that, I would like to tell each and every contestant that you have done very, very well. All of you deserve to be in the top place. However, itong competition kita top hilayao, winner hilayao kita, we will be announcing the top 6 contestants tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, are you excited? How excited are you? Natumay ako ni ang kabagan excited masaji tayo. Ito may top 6 announce today. Are you excited? Okay, I know you're excited now. All right, your top 6 contestant. Kiwa may isang mga to. Contestants kaya ka mame. Contestants jigo kalawing chay sili kiwa may isang mga. Only 6 of them will make it to the top 6. Okay, so the first contestant who have made it to the top 6 is contestant number. Your contestant number 4. Congratulations, contestant number 4. Okay, the second contestant who made it to the top 6 is contestant number. Yes, your contestant number 1.
Aril mativat hui yang. Aril mativat hui eh. Chena next hit kibam rao. Contestant number kya ka? Contestant number. Ini hiu shongai na shaga contestant number 7 da sharle. Kya ka niya? Contestant number 7.
Next contestant, the 4th place of the top 6 belongs to contestant number 9. Okay.
Ada kini mang mat jang. Kapang shima manay re. Chena. Contestant number kya ka? Akon pang may shock sa yare. Nadumlik hog bam ni krok shere. Akon pang may say. Contestant number 6.
Akamang Madley ko, Kibam Rao. ilan nervous at narko. Contestant number kya kamro? Okay, the last spot of the 12-6 belongs to contestant number 8. Congratulations.
Yari HUNPHUN mai sai atum le. Congratulations sa kui sa da HUNPHUN da. Bang ke biar ga HUNPHUN tu shock sai.
Can't figure it out, there's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss. Manicure and nails, just set the pedicure wrong. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what a boss do, she got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need.
Yari say go na bang baby sa we want to have done very well.
That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent,
Check. Okay. Arva, these are your top 6 contestants. We've made it to the top 6. Congratulations once again. Now, our top 6 contestants will be facing a question round. Okay? Volunteers, akan na mic mamahalingan. Check. Atumi ngala kam tamang maning ko Arva atumi. Beauty with brain gudi yari nala yang room sayang. Jana. Ari atumi judges being the question ready sa ne. We have the names of the judges with us. Atum contestants being the shock laga judge we aming ji show how kiki chine. Kala judge we aming kahangan and so they atumi judge being tina question jing han mi gigi chine. It could be bilingual. Tangkulay na lang hanga pa ye, English na lang hanga pa ye. Natum we comfortable sa t-shirt eh, okay? Kali kada question ji natum na comfortable masa akava. Jiwi option change sa kay option la day sarayang. Dina natum feel free to ask for next question, okay? All the best. All right. We would call with contestant number 1. Okay, please lead question round.
I choose Miss Janji Kai.
Hello, contestant number 1, Ring Pali. How are you feeling right now?
I feel excited and nervous at the same time.
Okay. My question to you is, what is one important lesson you can take away from this pageant, Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025? Tangkulay na hang migay. Miss HUNPHUN Luira we pageant li razang laga na ki tam ka kui shuka kui kala kui pung kapaya paraji ki kala.
Thank you, Miss, for the question. In a HUNPHUN li razang laga tam ka kui shuki dra labor me. Kala as people have used to have different mindset and different personality. In a hirazang laga in a mugte. Kala ina hada magtake haji atumi na la itum contestant biwen la tam kuila drali me. As this Pageant is a big opportunity, in Hirazam laga it helped me to boost my confidence. Not only that, it helped me to pull me out from the comfort zone and in a confidence. Main side in a Hirazam laga confidence tam kuye, intelligent tam kuye at when patient sa tam khuye laga juwe na main sa da kindness ka sa tam khuye nishla gai.
Thank you so much, contestant number 1. That was beautifully answered. Next, I would go with contestant number 4.
I choose Chandri Ki.
Hello. Hello, contestant number 4.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Well, I'm a bit nervous and it's so cold up here.
Yeah. So now we question number. Give a few motivational words to the Tangkhul youths listening here tonight about how to turn your dreams or goals into a reality. Tangkhul ay nahangmigay. Ishi Tangkhul kanui thod bingwi karin kakahauji kathada ungshung pairakla kachiwi tui bongli kamatuk kakadom tui hangmilo.
Question Giovanni Schneider. In a hangai gja. Tangkhul li dak laya kni thot bing na thum laka da healing ningi ji hi mak he klak lo ina hilira laka ina khitam gui kla ji khala ina tara khala tam gui ina hilira laka tam gui hilla confidence hi tam gui laka itam na ina Tangkhul now bing ni hangai gja na thum laka thagi ji na thumui na thum na ningrin nei dak lei je mak he klak lo na thum wang ga dom mi khwai ava ngasot now bing tara ka lei in laka confidence mak le adam tharan iwi ava na kala iwi shimkhur jimang maning la iwi ngasot now bing nei ina iwi krin hi le ga dom kham yu wangai la ina sara ga ji hi sa shop da khlei na chu wangai na thum na thumui ning ga jang sa khangai ji mathum hai la ping bang la kai na hang ji thei la ga ava li no na thumui ji share sa lo kala share sa ka sa adam tharan ji li athum na ga dom ji na li biin phai ka kha ka khui nga sara ga ji hi hang khangai na. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was wonderfully answered. I will go with contestant number 6.
I choose Eastern Light Simit.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Contestant number 6. Nali ba holuida?
Rimung John. Sorry.
Lighting tam play free, yeah?
Medical leave BA second semester.
Social media masing.
Singing.
Okay. Question he no wang chalak rate happening in we question of social media he Instagram or Facebook he katam now occur we wang kana kamakana no we experience na kan kana makan kana we jong we ka mahang mi beira.
Social media he Instagram itum katam now bingwang kanala ke hiwangai na itum Instagram ay nalay itum we can learn entrepreneurship and also itum na magatay la katay sampang with this information social media ay nalay itum information na kachunga sampang with Facebook itum na magatay la family kata lay salala itum with geography kaya ka tadajik tawila manganay la lay salala itum apam kata shimkur lay daklay psycho or lila kanghan sampang sake social media ay na itum ni kamata Gujunga tamhui gashap sambange itumna magate itumna social media ina search gashas tharanda thada sambang sare itumna magate mavagpe social media li sambang sare Instagram ni itumni thada gujung khali thada itumni gujung khali apong gujung khali thumwang ana itumna magate le salala Instagram we matunaina we are more confident Instagram at hisurde ina ka hangoge in I'm sorry Instagram niya ka pisa la hangoge with this Instagram ilila confident ang sampange ina magasa masagate jila Instagram li ina posa laga I can do better. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 6. Next, contestant number 7.
I've chosen Taimipe Arshinglai.
Hello, contestant number 7.
Hello, ma'am.
I have a simple question for you. Tangkul tuin ang hangai first. Azak kamatha mangna mashap mana. Award thang met la leipulungra kachiwi maramli na we take a kui kahang milu. Beauty with brain should go together. What is your opinion?
We often assume that beauty and intelligence are mutually exclusive. Miyaka na zak mathai kaba idum intelligence are the expect makasatra kadamle. However, I believe that beauty and intelligence goes hand in hand together because in this modern world, we need intelligence to pursue what we want to pursue, to chase our dreams, to live our life with our full potential. That is why I believe that beauty and intelligence go hand in hand and they exist together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 7, for the wonderful answer. Next, contestant number 8. Yes, please.
Iwi mshun mukui yang miki kijia. Pirum la taimi bei Arshinglai.
Hello.
Hi.
Nuwi kapuning atishuta Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025 hi kipana kuiran kala kiwiwang.
Question chuwang nishla kaire. Ili hanglu ja kava. Dira zanghai iwi go contestant bing saigora hard work la sangrok sere. Ka athumwina khangatai dai mai da hanglu ja kava. Iwi la unique sa akhale kichi hangai. Jeda. Chita da sada iwi li Kya ngaklak haya shinao. Kala mililum shan leishi katai koho hilaleye. Jumang majila. Misai ko really. Shungahan katai hilaleye. Kala malung kanim ngajang kaka. Hikalay wibang. Achu HUNPHUN Luira we miss koho hi. Yi sampang yi lakai kiji hangai ni shilakai yaru psychorally.
Thank you so much, contestant number 8. The last but not the least, contestant number 9.
I choose Mr. Eastern Light Zimik.
Hello.
Hi.
Pilayung Aung Shi, yang.
Yeah.
Nali la track ning share tam tong ka khui la ga da ra kham yu wang. Ari nali question hi nak la diling han chan gi ji question ne. China nala prepare side le re hi rak ning hi Luira we miss sin na tari ji confident ni lai na ra khai ni da shi chang ei. Chita da sada question hi nali na han ngai. Na ari hili judge na sa sa ni jiba key question han ngai. Kala chui answer ji na milo.
Sir, question actually repeat. Sami pa ya?
Sami. English ni pon da sami ge question hi. Na ari judge sa sa ni jiba na key question han ngai. Kala chui answer ji na pon da milo.
Okay. In 2025, we HUNPHUN Luira Miss we judge Agngasa Sanisik Eva Nahi Kiwivangina HUNPHUN Luira Miss Ragzang Lake Jing Hanre Kala Yui Hangana beauty pageant. Beauty is not about only the physical appearance, but about inner strength, intelligence, compassion, and to promote positive impact in our community and to inspire the young women down there to believe in themselves and to promote self-acceptance and self-love. Because this HUNPHUN Luira Miss Contest is not open only for the HUNPHUN Lashios, but it is open to all the Tangkhul Lashios from east, west, north and south. So I believe to be a part of this competition and to win is going to make my biggest achievement. So to make my dreams come true and the dreams of many young women down there. This is the reason why I'm standing here tonight. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 9. That was wonderfully answered. And congratulations once again to all the contestants. Please take a walk and we will be waiting for the top 4 again.
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. She walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something.
Contestants, kadongana atumling handakle questions. Matalagan hanga mikaibang yari atumli kadongli aksi yari Khokha. Bang gavela ga konchok se. Congratulations to the contestants. Arya, lamang nangai.
Before that, I would like to thank our wonderful audience tonight. Natumna kasikya kalay salala kanglaga itumi contestants bingli kala organizing committees bingli support jitaydaglay taylaga ning shinaye natum gadongli, and also to the people who are watching us online. Thank you for tuning us in with us tonight. Masik doon na tumli. Masik. Siglan nuli.
Ajiva sikshir.
Siglojika.
Contestant in lang with amang likhang ay nang dalum dak lay na. Atang hang honor. Lamang nangay. Ini na lag samyo ke. Atum shograt le. Jena atum shinmaman le ke ini na lag samyo ke. Ready?
Sak jangar ko.
拉希，
伊拉sang sengai.
因啥咪个？我头为人让个小里那里，我受的最爱。
Ingig take Regina sangai. Kibaga bro. Kibaga bro. H mabang nam gari jam thi tu laji mam chu tumai de. Original baji hogas nahi tha. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our one and only Mr. Oshim Soho on the stage.
ngala khmata khmiyan mayang khangai khipalai sare ina ka sai khayang ka mikma khip lak le yang ser de le matai lak ina yaron no bingji Miss Luira 2025 hon khui maman laga langana se sikai re kacham la khangana se le ga shi khale ramli I winning la uglung la chili le ji sami se itum ga tsak yang la sang room siang signal re Jo, ole gishi. Masate la la bang pese. Bang pese. Mangna mai de. Tau ruko musalim ruko. Aka mang sam yoga daga. Lag jam sa se yang. Lishlag hai lag terle ye ka. Jamina sam yoga. Ariba vahida se. Foten kwishok sel daga itum thada ashida khit se. Itum wili online mik chung yang bondale. Atum le itum hidada. Ari pung paro lang dali shirting ida pondak le hile yang khirno. Kipa na bijar sami raji sami ke. Ida khit laga sang rom se ya. Joe, kipa na bijar sami re. Thaire. Chung mai da horse. Lý xa trừ chân chữ khuya ngờ sam khuya nát khơi lì lì ya sơ hun khờ ba lý xa đưa lòng son rơ phần đinh thơ rin pa sho ang chang cơ phong khờ cha yong thủy hào cơ zing nát thân thơ Ramkazada kumitada Tangaya kamang Ngasam kwida Ning sami kahai Jarui mirin hi Kipa Mashakarar ture Shonga chỉ hao mi rì, ni sát cơ hồ chi nơ, khai sĩ cơ hay nơ ninh rì, và sung trao thu trong khờ. Ám cái trang cơ phong khờ rơ chan, rộng thủy hao cơ xin nơ thân tơ, rộng khờ zơ đơ cứ mi thả đơ, thân người ya khama. Sam freedom, in some mega high, Jarui mirin hi, keep up the picture, Samira, Palavi Lash the Sam from Say Cross here. I'm the Changa Pon Carrier Jam, Young Tree Hawker sing the Tanta, Rum Katada Kumitada. Ya kamang ngasam kwida Insan miga hai Jarui mirin hi Jan han gayame Ripole shime Mashunga ho Malaysia ke lai, Sherry.
Ishiwi, Ari top 4. He atam masyay lula. Kakvay sao siyang. Dana, let's welcome our top 6 contestant once again on the stage. Ari we round bahili atumne shok hai vitili top 4 he chusaki tine based on the answers that answered in the question round. Dana, contestants, top 6 contestants being naka shok milo. Music, please. Contestants being laon tado. And I'm sure they all deserve to be on the top 4. Katalala. Top 4 jogi na mi matimang kapag kuigi out of the 6, kibaw may na top 4 list isang round na tumi guest ashirda. Contestant kita ye. Contestant number 2 wa. 2 masang laga. Okay, without further ado, let me see the contestants who have made it to the top 4. All right, your top 4 list is here. The first contestant who made it to the top 4 is contestant number 7. Congratulations. And the next contestant who gets the second spot in the top 4 is your contestant number 10. Contestant number. Yes, your favorite contestant number 9.
Ara top 4 ka ji khni wa ja na thum ning le kiba shok marao mangali kiba shok ning rao contestant number 1. Kanawali, the last number. Kiba rao
bang wait hang no.
Contestant number 8.
Congratulations to all the contestants. Thank you so much, contestant number 4 and 6. Please take a walk. You have done very, very well. Music, please.
Something about the way she moves.
You're in a bang of baby said, you can do it bang.
Figure it out. It's something about her. Say, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly. She move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it.
Thank you. Now, this is your top 4 contestants who've made it to the top 4. Now, they will be facing a question round again, which will be in a written form. Ari atumna question round fe sagi chihina kathakle chilaga atumi question rai chasere kala atumna question hanga ki jiji kapilaga hanga ki chiko. Jena Yari, if the pad is ready, please. Okay, question akamangne. Question G itumi judge na hang miao chine. Please wait atumna pet singkui laga pamzang kleo da ngahan mi se. Itumi ari atumi handwriting la judge saugi kijiko yari bing. Handwriting kam lai la taga sago. Masik do. Atumi masik bro. Yar now being Kashok adamli blankets, Kajon jacket, Nanai Salo, Hiling, Rocky Luyan. These are your top 4 contestants. Okay, now they are ready with their pad. You will be given 2 minutes time, okay? Okay, one of our volunteer, Hina timer says, how kikchine? 2 minutes. Question, ngahan gup clear your 2 minutes. Question he tangkulena akshidang hanire, English na akshidang hanire. Jiwi clear itumi time starts now, ji clear kapi poki kichiko. So before I said, ready masarang naka ina atamje mahapokrang naka nutumag bipok milio. Okay? Ready? Okay, Judge, please.
Yeah.
Question Hani Bai.
Yeah. Congratulations to all. You all deserve to be here. The question is, let me first ask in English. Education is the key to women's emancipation, liberation. As a beauty pageant, do you agree or not? Translation. Wardam hina shinau itum wivang ninkan shongza na. Beauty queen akasada na mamaya. Mayaka kiwivang kala mamayaka kiwivang.
Okay, clarify la question ji, or you want the judge to repeat one more time? Okay, one more time in Tangkul.
Wardam hina shinau itum wivang ninkan shongzana. Beauty queen akasada na mamaya. Mayaka kiwivang kala mamayaka kiwivang.
Okay, ready? Your time starts now. Yari bing ningkrang masamilo atum na gabida kle answer hi mangali shok laga atum na shok pa luigi kichineyang juya t-shirt na tum la church sabay. 30 seconds to go. Your time is up. Naning mi bare? Nitumna? Okay. Nitumna, chair. Okay, our contestants atumna mangali shoglaga atumi answer chi ngahan ga mi gi chine kala ui co-host na atumji atumna bigay ji padale ga ma padale gi ji proof yang mi gi ko. All right? Okay, are you ready for the answers? All right. I would call serial number 7 to go first.
I believe that education is the key to the liberation of women because education brings progression and development in the society, and with development we can promote women empowerment. Therefore, in turn, if we want a powerful nation, let us educate girls first, because girls will become mothers one day, and mothers play a huge role in shaping our nation. Thank you.
That was a beautiful answer. Thank you, contestant number 7. Next, contestant number 8.
Question Juwang Nishla Gaire, Ilya Hanglu Jika Miyaye Jire, Gajiwi Wang Kalay Jilaga, Wardama Kalay Taran, Shnawa Kasade. Hina Itumwe, Regasang, Hina Draka Kurai Jire. Galash Nishla
Thank you, contestant number 8 for the answer. Next, contestant number 1.
Ivana hango di cover. Shinao we vangla, mirna vangla, education jiva mirin we vang ganalake. Jimang ningla education na itomikumo vang, Jirakalang Johnny. And yes, education is important for all the people because it helps to grow and help to make better decisions in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 1. That was beautifully answered. Contestant number 9.
Thank you so much. Well, Korea Atam Liva, Wardam Mazangla Lamaya, Ka Ilihang Locha Ka, Arihon Totli Education Himazanga Ka Mok Tui Paimana, Maramba Totna Punkra Kala, Regasang Atishuda, Chuivang Arihon Pageant Education na Aman Saglak Kahaina. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 9. And once again, congratulations to all the contestants who have made it to the top 4. You have done very, very well. Your answers were beautifully answered. Thank you so much for your performance tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give another round of applause for our top 4 contestants. Okay, music please.
Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails, so set the pedicure off.
Okay, Yari Bing. Mabing Erle. Mabing Era. Mayang Ifa. Top 4 din na tanga si Kajika. Ichui mystery kapag gupla kasi. The night is still young, yes? Munui face, atam lay face. Muhi na rin yang. Tam lay girl eh? Okay, ito may contestants bing na ngirande laga, judge bing na judge sadlay laga. Ito may arila performance lay fre. Kiba ganing liang.
Last halu vi fushira ini.
Kego.
Lam salu ke atang samir jena. Amayoshim wila yari nang nangait later. Vaugadli. Jena, let us welcome Amayoshim on the stage. Yari akon pang shok say.
Panglagay na Yari Bing Bang Pielga. Amayoshim li welcome action sa office.
Hello. Mia pung akali shooting in the lumlag in a gabum he is tankrumang the young. Tankul liver in a matalakai as a yermi, matalaga in the snow wingly. Tankru with pilava with kamata, Kajula Agasage. Salobo with Stony G. Tankul in a samike. You can get a younger sunroom say, pilava.
Or high, no, we was Min hina ki kamataysa Ringa pa kamatan manga Manurim shauha ayangaro Kazinging tama pakanay Chẳng khát khao only Mirin ka ho amang ka sa Da ili chitay mi Kong pay li ni mang yaw sa cho Mirin ka chẳng pay Chẳng khát khao only
Yaron now big jim ya khale Isi tang kholi Verena la kham tha yer mi ji jim ya khale Mangla thuria
Some pun kare mi kyan na lung ili mi hai sa in lay shi ra kamathai sa I will like a sheep love love now we come a Chang thai na we ni nói khang mà than chi lấy shika chẳng khát khao only be love now we come a tha be love mà yo cái chang thai na we ni nói khang mà than chi lấy shika chẳng khát khao only oh lấy shika chẳng khát khao only
Yari hon kasam sai se Omiyoshim lam sa thai Omiyoshim lining schneider ki juwang Yarone pang pang ka kbe mi se Just being the point counts har le ga iton arila performance aka yang room for say in the last performance of the night Thanchui Makang Yarina Thanchui Makang le on the stage welcome how is it
Yo, pung aha tarale, right? Ari la bahin ava. Kesangat as pen la penai le kai kava. Ngusona bing na gangster la khazang le wo khuli le. Hip emo rap sami lo jai sami ge la ka. La hi bit khani ne kha minute like maximum like 4 minutes ne la thara 4 ka 5 kli thaya. La kakhni bit rak ta bahin ava. Mia now ari hilipam na le yarong la bing sami ngai ji ka you compose ne hi marshally release sagi ne ba ya. Shari you know we ne la bai ngalavun an thai ye ne ha the first line of emo rap music on sam jo vocal bai teo nem da mi la teo ta da volume maka sa bai ji ka yo phone you ari phone ma bu baja shi ashi mang ba miao lu jo ari hi le ari phone ma bu baja shi e je sa miao la je chi ne je la ba je volume vocal hi deu ta mi lo vocal ba ja oh check this Sabella mi hai detto what you know about this shit? I've been here in the city, KK, JC on the beat. Coming from the lane of the bamboos, coming from the lane of the bamboos. Never mean to hurt you, but I know I did. Knock you on my door, babe, some gotta keep. Says all the women that's out, drop a leaf. I know I did a lot of things that you can't forgive. I was so weak when I shouldn't be strong. I was on the road to I'm alone in the back of my mind. I knew that it was so wrong. It's gonna act like just me from now on. Never been faithful before my life. You didn't understand the worst husband and wife. Every time I cheated on you, curse like a knife. I'm so ashamed I could take my own life. Trying to keep an image of a lie to get you. Have to be a rapper, could be seen with. Used to call me late night cause you really miss me. Never mean to hurt you, ayy. Souls on me. Souls on me, even thankful now, souls on me. Proud to be Naga, souls me, baby ride me. What she bang on day, I'm like a cringer, feel like Power Ranger. Case like a Spider-Man, say it. They just call me Eminem, I'm not an Eminem, rap devil. FK, fuck that. I'm a rap devil, loaded rap, kill shot. Bitches when I gain, I'ma pay on that. Baby ride with the bitches when I bang that. Hey, lucky money, put it, 80, thankful. Money, put a coffee, rap, rally, Makapaha. Sipan zero title only. No, we bang and me, none of my TV. No, we bang and with the fucking rubber band. They play on that, what you wanna bang on that. They play on me, what you wanna gain on that. Hey, I want you back when you ain't like that. Like one side of the car, you don't call me back. Yeah, times are hard when you left, they got harder. I've been calling my rooms, Kadaka, I'm stealing the vinyl, so are you. Let's talk tonight so that we can talk it through. Baby, ride with me, they play with me. I'm sorry, I won't do shit anymore. Mommy and Papa, I am India, yes, I made a name, Hegli-do. Represent from Hindustan, made a John Day, Chahiye, just go, made a number, Chahiye, take my number. 690-999-37-47, like an AK-47, I'm a fan cool. Hate hunter, hey, hate hunter, everybody hate hunter, right? Riding the wivang in a gunning me, chatting with the grind in no vanga. Say I saw me, I'm not the one play on the core party. Let's call me team party. If a core party money, in a narrow team party. If a core party money, baby play on me, I'm a ride with that. What she paying with that? I'ma play on that, baby pay on me. I'm a COD like a BOC, like KOC, baby start with the mother from the back. I'm a KKK, nice COC. I'm a TANGKHUL, I'm a TANGKHUL. Represent from a TK, represent from a TK. Guy kind of song. I don't give a shit about the haters, they ain't on the shit. But my life's not the object, you ain't trying to follow it. I got all that shit, trying to be high, I wanna stay so much. I feel the just middle finger made for the haters. I ain't on the shit, with my life is not the object, you ain't trying to follow it. I got all that shit, I got all that beat, baby, ride with me. What she paying on that? I be running like a jeans, like a KK, like a CC, baby, pay, like a KKK. Hey, hey. UKHRUL, represent from a UKHRUL. A lot of conflict going on in this country, but wanna bring a peace. Wanna bring a peace. Okay, wanna bring a peace, wanna bring a peace, wanna bring a peace. Let's do that shit. Once more. That. Volume, kita ko kami lipay. Volume. Repeat 把几间它的 volume 间它把你3秒给它一个on 3秒给它。别急把几门铃了，把几。video 没升级了 video 把几个dia ko kat salo cili bit rata re he origin gambos nya how do you make so boy bleed on the beat blow through the shit Shawty, you know I've been dripping weed. Shawty, you know I've been dripping weed, oh that shit. I've been using coke and weed, oh my homie. Where she paid on, I'ma tie her with a fucking rubber band. Shawty, you know I've been dripping weed, oh that shit. I've been using cocaine weed, oh my homie. Where she paid on, I'ma tie her with a rubber band. Shawty, you know I've been bowling since the day you left me. I've been using cocaine weed, oh my homie. Where she paid on, I'ma tie her with a fucking rubber band. Hey, so on the handbrake, got the game in the trains. Ice on my wrist, got the haters on the floor. Running through a six with my O's on my bay. Got a spotlight on me, baby, ride with me. We don't talk about a lady, female, and a fee. We just tryna get high, baby, I'ma grind on that shit. Baby, ride me, I'm a COC, baby, play on that. We repeat the late shit, you even twinkle, no, we vang never muttate me, shiny ride with me when they bait on me. A lot of people tryna mock me down. I don't give a shit about the haters, ain't on the shit. But my life is not an object, you ain't tryna fly with. I got all that, wish you wanna bait on that. Me replay the late shit, but another anyhow. Doing a shit, another inside me. Me replay the. Let's do it, come on. Shawty, you know I've been dripping with all that shit. I've been using cocaine with all my homie. Where she been on? I'ma tie her with a fucking rubber band. Shawty, you know I've been bowling since the day you left me. I've been using drugs with all my homie. Where she been on? I'ma tie her with a rubber band. Bop that nigga with 100 shot. I be shot like a KOC. What you know about that beat, man? Everybody's laughing on that beat. We blow through that shit, right? So good night. I'm just daily, right?
Tantri Makang Nalining Shi Jangadera. Ara Point Lagadonga Count Sakui Kane. Hinak Nawalaga, Inila Zakuntelim, Hinak Nawalaga. Jenna, I see we Miss Luira, finalist Madi, Atum Lee, on the stage, Hoshok Delay.
Yari, Kibana Yim Roundly, Dodgy, Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025. Kibana Ni Inava Yoga Judge Bing Lex the man, Pauji Kram Yellow Jaw. Okay, let's welcome our top 4 contestants on the stage once again.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out, it's something about her. Say, ooh, it's something about, kind of.
Please make some noise for our contestants.
Hey, I can't figure it out, it's something about her. She walk like a boss, talk like a boss. Manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what you boss do. She got me thinking.
Yari, yang ngalgan ningang mong dalay do. Ngalabam ta. Kibani Yimro. Contestant number Gekha. Okay. Ngai salo. Ishi Ari title he Henau Tamik vai Quiru Unsorin Rugui ready Sami Salo. Announce Akio the stage Lika Camilo. Okay. Adam Mazang Lisiang Huile. Second runner up. Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025 goes to contestant number Gekhamro! Contestant number Gekhamro! Masang blame go to the contestant number Hangjiva. Okay, your second runner-up, Miss Luira 2025, goes to contestant number 9. Congratulations!
Woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss. Manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a
Yari. Contestant number 9, congratulations. How can we say?
Congratulations, contestant number 9.
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about
Subtitle, second runner-up. Ari title run ni gaiji. Hindi yang naga isi tangku nau lako. Actually, mang wave sami lagu jo. Actually, HUNPHUN Luira 2025 we convener sami deklai kuiru ungsorin rugui ya. Tangku nau ne, tangku doing sex lax da. Tangku nau lage. Okay, yari no down sami do. Actually, apa mi follow? Kita sali. Ari first runner-up to the run ni lagu. Okay, before we go to the first runner-up, the guilty son already. If I did not give a shout out to my friends who have supported me and who have encouraged me in every way possible, namely, Ari, make up Sami Degle here. One of my best friend, Zinghorin Nasak Migo Mamda. Zinghorin Limite. Okay, and thank you so much. Iwi Gown Hilaka, Ari Aya Siciliana Chowda community. Ashi Kokpam and Anina Sakmineyan. Thank you so much to everyone and anyone involved in this event. Iwang support Sami Kai Jivang Ni Shinaye. Okay, without further ado, let's move to the first runner-up.
HUNPHUN HUNPHUN later Miss first runner-up Kiwan Kuimrao. Bung my voice. First runner-up goes to contestant number 7.
Congratulations, contestant number 7.
Boss, manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what you boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent,
Thank you so much.
Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something new, so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she about to pay them both off.
Okay, nervous mas delay do. Contestant number Kanimang Hina. Akamang Bangwishine. Only one will be the winner. Only one will walk away with the crown. The coveted crown, Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025. He Anikini wing Chili Miakana, Sampangi Kichiko. Yari Kibana Yum Raudaleko. Contestant number Gahani 9. Hold your breath. Okay. Okay. Your Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025 goes to contestant number 1. Congratulations.
me proud. There's something about her. It's something new, so sexy about. Kind of woman that don't even need my help.
Ishui. Okay, for the crowning, we would like to call upon our beautiful HUNPHUN Miss 2023 Luira reigning Miss Sadakle, Miss Werngam John Shokung now. Actually, the welcome Sasa Arena to crown the Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025. Ladies and gentlemen.
Walk like a boss, talk like a boss. Manicure and nails, just set the pedicure wrong. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent.
Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you. Yarisa Gurna Bang Pemi should say. Okay, contestant number 1, you may take a walk as the Miss HUNPHUN Luira 2025. Yarisa Gurna Bang Pemi say.
She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. That's why I love her. Miss Independent.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to the winners. And thank you so much to one and all for being and bearing with us tonight, even if it is late. Nga shong hui lak sala na thum sa ekor na kang kamyuwang ning shinare program li mapung pang sa kai na thum sa ekor lila ning gashimi dele chimang maning la itumui mashun makui yang mighai judges ping lila ning shinare gaji hangai dele. And also to the people joining us and watching us online, thank you very, very much for your support and your love. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much. And as the winners take their walk and their photographs taken, we will bid good night. Thank you so much, one and all. A very good night to all of you.
Mang Pao Miao say.
Mang Pao Miao say. Mang May Tangan Gas ni Mang Pao Miao say. Okay, good night, everyone.
Yari Saigoro Lining Shire, who is Alala Natumda, Liru Mopung Palaga in a Panitim Yon Quick Sakai Chuvang, Araitumna. Program Higdonga, Reb Absa Quick Vivang, closing prayer, Kakupsea Sada, Pastor Chibemi Shaiza, SDA Church, Nali Kakupsea, Samik Vai Gaudley. Yarisai Goruna, Mung Mela, Kakup Kanjang Siahi, to Nazam Wizard Laka, Chirian Ung Biang Yang Sase, Nisher.
在国人呢，可呀个些呢，鬼木顺生的，被拉里那个西米噻，可是个下啥噻？一同那个闹可米个啥个话被拉，HUNPHUN来哈恐怕可米个啥个话被拉，宁西么大耶？一同那么生朋康个伊，说可米生个朋友忙爱呢。那里宁西的，公个记的，那沙米个海，那沙米个海，一同那彭宁翁的，山亏的，一同里听个玩康色，没听康色，一同里看么他普普可米在过的，那么阿里一同那，这个经的嘞。May we never take it for granted. 宁西，阿瑞亚当里了。那里宁心大耶，HUNPHUN闹呢，那个闹可米个那让米罗的Luira PHANIT，啊他可要为，那里宁个是帮色可外为，那宁拉可米为宁个是PHANIT，冷真啥个海呀，啊咱们好不个个，啊只顾个生，啊咱们现在那他那米王，宁心大耶还是个，一同去把个呢，看个家那的，不可以还有喏。了看个家那的，木会拉么呢？宁西哪嘞？那里的那他那米个还个吉他的，他那米的是路的下啥的？那里的那里宁西个他呀，一同没看么他，一同没看个王，一同没样，在过日，那位命没样没快王，去个金呢，米普阿翁上手米路的那里。那位说可米，弄说可米玻璃，你是哪一个？哎呀，一同那带的可呀，咱们开的了，同那个比例了喏。那位说可米今年经历5年的比会，可就上忙生米了。得了，带海的可let米海啊，咱们的那位你样空啊，容易一同那，我拆拆可爱，那他们的是路的，阿瑞。他米个海，个他那兵呢？其他的那里彭宁公啊，PHANIT，龙克面个说的，他那米开在过日里，宁个是伊，一同里提克米亚克芒个吉，耶稣基督的名声的保好的，阿娃沃特不么啥的个会送米了 ，Amen。
萨米开这边。Pastor Chibemi Shaiza, Yari Saigoro Learning Share, Natumna program he Adazana in Tangana Zangrum Laga, Array Tumna Kangjang program he na Gupsanga Kangjang Saira, Yari Saigoro Limang Pama Serse, Kala Hatai Kung Zingum Sasero Nogaji Lahang Rishi Delay, Ni Share.
City carved a silhouette on the ocean after dark. Over the lonely and the holy and the red blood beating hearts. Up from the dirty black water, the shadow void of form raised itself out of the river, and it climbed upon the shore. Neon on the blacktop, There's a gentle rain downtown, a shadow pooling underneath.